Welcome back to Insta's Capsule. My name is Unati and this is my capsule. Okay, so today, Insta that I'm going to discuss is my journey creating content for YouTube using your phone. Right? Hey, I always forget to switch on my ring light, but it's not making a difference. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. So yeah, creating content on my phone. I have I iPhone 11 Pro. Is the Pro Max? And yes, 11 Pro. Yeah, I think what I'll do, I'll just put in the details of exactly what phone I have, but it's an iPhone 11 Pro. I think it's iPhone 11 Pro. So this is where I create my content. I create my content on my phone, which means I take videos on my phone, I edit on my phone, and also I post videos from on my phone to YouTube. So I just wanted to share my journey because it's been a journey, and also I think it will, yeah, I think it will help anyone who is also venturing into a space of creating content for YouTube. I don't want to keep these videos long, so I'm just going to focus on one item, discuss that, and then I'm going to load another video discussing something else. Okay, what I wish I knew before I started this journey. I wish I knew, about there's issues with his space. I wish I knew. I've got notes, so I'm reading just to make sure I don't forget. I wish I knew that there will be issues with space. For instance, my thought was I've got enough space to create content. This phone comes with 250 gigs of space, and then also I have space on iCloud. I think my account there is for 2 terabytes of space. Now I'm thinking, but the space that I have on my phone plus that space that I have on my on the iCloud, that is one and the same thing. And no, it isn't. What it is really, I still don't know. But what I do know is that if I'm going to be taking videos, I need to first have space, enough space on my phone. Hey, and it took me a while. I do not want to lie. It took me a while to understand what was happening. It took me a long while too to understand about what was happening. Okay, with me, what my challenge was is I've got all my pictures that I've taken since I've had my phone, an iPhone, which is like many years ago. I'm a hoarder like that. Now I keep everything. So there's pictures, there's videos that I've kept fine. Because the culprit, because my daughter actually helped me out and showed me about what it is that is depleting or taking a lot of space on my phone. And it was photos, WhatsApp, and emails. Those were the 3 top culprits. All right, photos, you understand, it's old videos, and it was old videos, and also it was duplicated videos, because when I started this content creating space, my first start was YouTube, but then I was not consistent there because I was not happy with the quality of content that I was creating. So I did not leave the content creating space completely. I've been creating content but posting on Instagram and TikTok as well as Twitter. So there pretty much I'm taking pictures not so much videos, but pictures. So what I would normally do is I would take like 1,000,000 pictures, choose one, and then I would not delete the other pictures. So that was one thing that was taking a lot of space on my phone, photo album book, if I call it that. And then the other problem was that even when I did delete my pictures, I did not make sure that they are deleted. And I was not aware that when you delete pictures, they go and sit somewhere else in your phone as well. And they chill there for maybe 20 or 40 days until they are completely removed. So there's that duplication as well. And also there was duplicated pictures. And I found about my phone is smart enough to help me with sorting out this space issues. It's just that I did not know. I did not know how to work around that. So now I make sure that when I do delete videos and pictures, I make sure that they're deleted completely from my phone so that they open up more space. WhatsApp. WhatsApp as well was a challenge as well, because their duplication of pictures, obviously. I would take pictures and then send them via WhatsApp to family and friends. There's another duplication. They would do the same as well. They would send me pictures, and then I would also have the pictures on the app and also save them on my phone. There's another duplication. And then also the number of groups that I am part of. I am, I don't mind being in groups. I'm just one of those people who don't mind. But now I understand why there are people who are quite finicky about being in lots of groups, because there's duplication there. There's people sending you videos, and you find sometimes that the different groups are sending you the same videos. I was all nonchalant and like chilled about the whole thing up until I understood what that means. That all those pictures, all those duplicated videos are just chowing space on my phone. So I had to go in and delete everything that is not important to me. And how do I do this? My phone also does it seamlessly. I struggled at first. I was literally going into each and every group, going in and deleting every video, up until I saw a quick way of doing it. I'm going to show you right here how you can just quickly do it without spending hours and hours and hours and hours. And then the other one was my emails. Obviously, I have lots of emails, so that I had to stream down as well and just have only 2 emails on my phone coming in, and also making sure that spam emails and your subscriptions you check, because I found that the bulk of my emails that are coming in are just spam promotions. So I just went into I think the easiest way of doing this as well is just to go through your desktop, not on your phone. Search everything that you don't need, delete. And also what I found is that as well, there are sites where I've unsubscribed but I'm still getting stuff. So I think that doesn't work as well. So on a daily basis, I go into my the 2 emails that I've got on my phone. I check, I delete everything that is just not important to me. All your promotions, I delete. All your ads, I delete, and then I create space. And then after that, it's been running smoothly, because you need space. That much I can tell you. You need sufficient space. You need to have enough space to take your videos and save them on your phone. And then also when you are editing, like for instance, the editing app that I'm using Filmora. When I'm done editing and I have to then save the work that I've done, I need to have enough space for that. Now you can imagine that I've got a duplication of sorts now, because I've got the content, the videos that I've taken to edit, and I normally don't delete them up until I've loaded the video on YouTube, because I just don't want to create problems for myself. So you need to have enough space for keeping the content that you've taken, and also the work that you've edited to be loaded onto YouTube. Yeah, and YouTube also takes up space as well. That I didn't know. I don't know. In my mind, I thought um the videos that I'm loading on YouTube are sitting somewhere else where I don't know. But I find that they are there as well. How, I don't know. You need to understand, guys, Doba, I'm not a professional at this. I am just sharing my experience. Now I am learning as I go, and that is why I felt, Doba, perhaps I should share my journey, because as much as there are videos, there's lots of videos, some things I could not find solutions for on YouTube. I had to work around it. So that's why I thought perhaps me sharing my journey will help someone else tackle some issues that perhaps are not issues for some people. Anyway, I think let me leave it at that. Please do subscribe. Please do follow my channel. It definitely will help my channel grow, because I do actually want to grow this channel to a point where I am monetized and I'm actually making money from this journey that I've decided to start for myself. So thank you very much again for taking the time to consume my content and watch this video up until this point, and I hope to see you again soon. So bye.